Hello and welcome to the English We Speak. I'm Feifei. Rob, could we have your attention, please?
Sorry, Feifei. I was just looking at the news on my smartphone.
Now is not the time to be looking at the news. We're presenting a programme.
Yeah, I know, but there's so much news to look at, and it's all very...
Depressing? Yes, there has been a lot of depressing news recently, but you seem addicted to it.
Oh, look at this. Did you know we're all going to die? Someday.
Enough doom scrolling, Rob.
What's that?
Doom scrolling describes continuously scrolling through endless bad news stories on your smartphone app, on social media, or on the internet. It happens a lot during the coronavirus pandemic. And you are obsessed, Rob. You just can't stop reading information that depresses you.
Okay, I'll try and find some more positive news while we hear some examples.
I've been doom scrolling too much and read so much information about coronavirus that I can't sleep at night. Stop doom scrolling. If you read too much bad news, you'll get depressed. My brother does too much doom surfing. He loves to tell us the latest gloom and doom in the world, so we've stopped listening to him.
This is the English We Speak from BBC Learn English, and we're talking about doom scrolling, also called doom surfing. That's endlessly looking at depressing news stories on your smartphone app, on social media, or the internet. I think it's time we had some good news stories, Rob.
Yes, and I think I've got one. Look, a kitten that went missing has been found.
Sweet!
And look at this. New research says biscuits don't make you fat. Oh, and look at this story.
Okay, Rob, is there a word for endlessly looking at good news stories?
Joy scrolling? Happy scrolling?
Well, it's good to see you smiling again.
Well, we all need something to smile about after the events of this year.
I agree. Bye.
Bye-bye.